crafty friends, how's everyone doing today? Welcome to my channel. This is Sheree, and I'm working on the Dollar Tree junk journal today. I had a little idea of something I wanted to make out of Dollar Tree goodies yesterday when I was making the little journaling cards we made. So if you didn't see that video, that was yesterday. You can just go back one video and see how I made these simple little journaling cards. So that was yesterday. I think they're so cute. And then today I wanted to use index cards again, and in combination with my little notepad of colorful paper from Dollar Tree. And I want to make some little booklets along with some Dollar Tree stickers. So what I need to do is I already folded just a couple of the full index cards in half. One, I wanted to try it to both ways, one with the lines on the inside and one with the lines on the outside. And so we'll pull off some paper. Let's put let's see, let me put this out of the way for a moment and get my little notepad over here. Let's pull out 3 different colors. We've got a yellow, let's get a green. And I'm going to need to cut these down because if you have some, 4x6 might fit, these might fit a 4x6 perfectly. I do have some 4x6, but I had these, I wanted to make some little ones. Maybe I'll make some 4x6 too. I think I have some, I know I have some index cards from, they might be from Dollar Tree. I don't know if those are from Dollar Tree though. Maybe that's why I stuck with the little ones, because I know these are. So, let's see, green, pink. So there's 3 different colors for one. And I'll go ahead and fold them in half as I'm pulling them out. So that's 3 for one. And then I want to get all the colors. So here's a blue one for the other one. And then, so this is real simple again, but I'm trying to stick with all Dollar Tree things. And let's go back to the beginning here. Yellow. And I'm not trying to match colors or anything, just kind of random, whatever. It's going to be cute no matter what. And a green. I'm trying to get that, pull it out. I'm trying to tear it out as evenly as possible at the end, even though I'm going to be cutting that. I don't know, just me. I don't want a big tear. Or if it tears down the middle or something, that won't be any good. So let's see. Now this is pretty small, so we're going to really have to cut these down quite a bit, but that's okay. I have 2 of those little notepads. I had bought one, and then I brought it home and I put it away and I couldn't find it. And then I bought the second one and I brought it home and I found the first one. So I have them together in the same spot and I know where they are now. It was in the right spot. I just, for some reason, it was kind of like hiding in this drawer where I keep things like that. In between things, I just couldn't find it. It's really annoying when you do stuff like that, right? You have it, but it's like, almost like I hate to say this, but it's almost like I'm too organized, you know what I mean? Like, I put it away, but where did I put it? And then I have to think, if I put it away, where would I put it? And I look there and it's not there. I'm like, what in the world? Where did I put that thing? And then I end up finding it, but sometimes it takes a while, right? Anyway, that's a good reason. That's why I'm trying not to buy anything right now. I don't need anything and I want to use what I have. And I don't want to have so many things I don't know. I put them away and I'm like, where are they? Type of thing. So, all right, that fits in there perfectly. So there's those 3. I cut all 3 at one time, as you could see. And just kind of measuring by doing this and, eyeballing and kind of marking with my finger where I need to cut. I thought about rounding the corners. You can round the corners on everything here if you want. rounded the corners on the cover, then I'd have to round the corners on the paper, and I'm not really, you know, worried about that for these little booklets. So I'm just going to leave them squared off on the corners. Okay, and I need another little sliver off there, and then the bottom, about right there. So I can sew these in like by hand. I can sew these in with my sewing machine. You could staple them in. You can tie them in with a little string. I've done that. I might just sew them on my sewing machine real quick. I am doing this video before work again, so during the week, it's just like during the week I don't have a lot of time at night to come in here and craft, so I don't have a lot of time in the morning either, so that just proves you can do this. Even if you don't have a lot of time, you can do a little bit here and there and get it done. All right, I think that's straight. I'm trying to see that almost what is wrong here. Why am I not thinking this is straight? I think I'm just need to do it. Okay, there we go. That looks good. Now let me intertwine them, make sure they're right. Let's see. Does it matter which color is first? I'm just going to go with it. Okay, there we go. And make sure they're all still good. That's good. And were these intertwined already, or did I have them separate? They're still separate. Let me put them together. And those all still fit. So I'm going to go sew with my sewing machine down the middle. I think that's just the quickest way for right now, and I'll be right back. Okay, so yeah, I sewed down the middle of these and left little strings here. Here's my sewing. You might think that, you know, be asking yourself, why didn't I just use staples? Because you are, you know, you may think that that's faster. Because I said this is faster sewing it. But, you know, I have my sewing machine ready to go. I just zipped down a straight stitch down the middle. And, you know, even though it can be hard to get that right on the fold, I think I did pretty good and it looks fine. And then I find it the same problem with the staples. Sometimes it's hard to get that staple right on your fold. So either or, whatever, you know, you like. You can, like I said, you can sew them in by hand. You can just take a little piece of string like baker's twine or something, wrap around and tie a bow out here, you know, like that. I've done that with a couple of little notebooks before, but aren't these cute so far? So again, this is, if you didn't know, and this is the first video you're watching, I'm participating in Jessica's Paper Terrace, the Dollar Tree Junk Journal Challenge. Her channel is linked. Well, I think I have her first video linked below. Either her channel or her first video, or the video with the instructions linked below, so that you can participate if you want to. There's still time. It goes until March 25, so really still plenty of time. So I just wanted to say that because I kind of just got going without saying anything. So let's see, let's put a little, here's my Dollar Tree stickers that I have out right now. And let's choose one of these. I did say I wanted to use the dragonflies, and let's see if that would be too big. I think this one won't be too big. Let's use one of the dragonflies on these. And I will still use the other dragonfly somewhere in the journal. But I think maybe it's a little bit too big for these little notebooks. See, I think we want the dragonfly flying, or we could put it up like that. That's cute. It looks, this is one of the 3D ones, so it's really cute. And almost real looking, even though it's got little feet, so it makes it like really real looking. Okay, so I just stuck that down there. So that one's done. And then this one, let's choose this really, I wonder how this one would look. Let's choose this really colorful butterfly here, because this is the plain side of the index card and it really needs something here. So let's put this one on here. So yeah, you could put your own spin on a little notebook, just whatever, you know. You could put maybe even several index cards together and make it that way instead of little papers. But I just happened to have these out and I thought, oh, I could make little pages with those. It's all Dollar Tree stuff. So super cute, super simple and quick today. And I hope you have some fun with this. Even if you don't make a journal, you could, maybe you want to make some of the ephemera for yourself, and just have them as little Happy Mail gifts or something. So anyway, that's it for today. Let me hold them up close so you can see. And super cute and nice little writing spots. And we'll put these in the journal. And again, here's my journal if you haven't seen it before so far. It's the Dragonfly. I'm calling it the Dragonfly Journal, so that's why I'm kind of like whatever dragonflies I have I'm using if I can. And I've got my pages sewn in. We put in a little bit of ephemera and some tabs. We did the pom-pom already. And if you haven't seen it, just keep going back. Or maybe start from the beginning. I have the playlist. I have a Dollar Tree playlist linked below and my junk journal playlist of all my junk journals that I make. So anyway, she is looking cute. So I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day.